unmute and tell me. Team 1.
Rakesh from IGMC will answer.
Rakesh. Team 2.
Okay.
Team 2, who's going to answer?
Team 2 is
I'll be answering.
A name?
Your name, please.
Dhirendra.
Dhirendra. Team 3.
I will answer
Arman.
Okay.
Team 4.
Sanjay.
Jay.
Okay.
Team 5.
Sarnath from KMC.
Sarnath. KMC. Okay.
And team
Team
6.
6.
Saravanan.
Saravanan. From.
Zipper.
Okay, I'll read it again. See that Team 1 IGMCR Rakesh will be answering. Team 2 Dhirendra AIMS Bhuvaneshwar Dhirendra will be answering. And Team 3 Maulana Azad Medical College Arman will be answering. Team 4 Bangalore Medical College Sanjay will be answering. Team 5 Sarnath from Government Kilpak Medical College will be answering. And Saravanan from Jipmar Puducherry will be answering for the Team 6. Okay, let's start with the rounds. That is round 1. Round 1 is drug and me. Here are the rules. Okay, each team will get one question. Example is, I'm useful in thyroid peaks. I inhibit PPO, but oh, be careful. I'm harmful to the child in your womb. Answer is methimazole. The questions are going to be in this pattern. Each correct answer will be awarded 20 marks. In case of a wrong answer, the question will be passed to the next team. Only the past questions will go only to the next team. That is, in case of team 1, it will go to team 2. That's all. It stops with there. If team 2, team 3, likewise. And the time limit of 30 seconds will be given. Once the slide appears, the timer will start running. And have any questions, you can ask me. And past questions will be given only 10 marks. Any doubts, you can ask me before we enter into the round.
Is there negative marks?
No negative marking in this round. Can we start? Okay.
Team 1 start with team 1.
Okay. All the best, guys. Here is the first question for the team 1. AIMS. IGMCR. Rakesh. I am a 5-HT2C agonist. I don't cause cardiac valvulopathy as my friends. I'm used in obese patients. Who am I? Rakesh will be answering. Rakesh, your time is running. Rakesh?
Liraglutide.
Karthi, stop the slide. It's the wrong answer. The question is passed to the second team. AIMS. Dhirendra, do you have an answer? Yeah.
I want to answer Locaserin.
Locaserin, very good. 10 points for team 2. The right answer. The answer is Locaserin. Yes, this Locaserin is the brand name Belvic. It's used for weight loss. It is a 5-HT2C agonist, and it reduces the appetite by stimulating the serotonergic receptors in the hypothalamus. And it was approved by FDA in 2012. But recently, in January 2020, the FDA has requested to withdraw this drug because of the risk of cancer. Okay, we're moving on to the question 2 for the team 2. AIMS. Your time is running. I am a FGF23 blocking antibody. I'm used in X-linked hypophosphatemia. Who am I? Dhirendra, do you have an answer? The time is running. You have time till it finishes.
Time's out.
Okay, time's up. Pause the slide, Karthi. The question is passed to the team 3. Arman from Maulana Medical College. Do you have an answer?
Maulana Azad Medical College.
Burosumab.
Yes, the right answer. You're getting 10 points. Answer? Burosumab. Burosumab is a human monoclonal IgG antibody. Arman, can you tell what is the other use of this Gurosumab? No mark for this. I'm just
No marks for that. No marks for this.
It is used for the treatment of X-linked hypophosphatemic rickets, and also it can be used for the treatment of paraneoplastic FGF23 secreting tumors leading to phosphaturia and hypophosphatemia.
yeah, very good, Arman.
Exactly.
Getting 10 marks. What this FGF3, which prevents the phosphate reabsorption by also decreases the vitamin D dependent phosphate absorption by intestine. It was approved by the FDA in 2018 for adults and children greater than 1 year. Okay, question 3 for the team number
We have
3.
question for team 3.
Maulana Azad Medical College, Arman. I am a MEK1 inhibitor. I'm used in anaplastic carcinoma of thyroid along with my friends. Who am I?
Trametinib.
Trametinib. Right
Exactly.
answer. You're getting 20 points, Arman. 20 points for Maulana Medical College.
Maulana Azad Medical
Azad
College.
Medical College. And this is actually this trametinib was first used for metastatic melanoma. It was approved by FDA in 2018 for anaplastic carcinoma of thyroid, and it has a brand name Mekinist. Okay, going to the fourth question for Bangalore Medical College, Sanjay. Question number 4. I am a VEGF inhibitor. I'm used in diabetic macular edema. Who am I? Sanjay, you have 30 seconds.
Your time is running.
Bevacizumab.
No, it's the wrong answer. Want to try before the time ends?
Branilizumab.
No, it's the wrong answer.
sorry.
The question is passed to the question to team number 5, Sarnath from Government Kilpack Medical College. Do you want to answer? Do you have an answer?
Hello.
Yeah.
AF literature.
Super.
Yeah, exactly.
Getting 10 points. And the answer is aflibercept, and ruboxysterin is also an answer, but aflibercept is the right answer. And actually in 2012, the FDA approved this drug for macular degeneration and metastatic colorectal cancer. But recently, the FDA has approved in 2019 for diabetic macular edema and diabetic retinopathy also. Okay, going to the question number 5 for Government Kilpack Medical College, Sarnath. Question number 5, Karthi. I am 11 beta hydroxylase inhibitor and aldosterone synthase inhibitor. I'm used in Cushing syndrome. Who am I? Sarnath? Sarnath, do you have an answer?
Your time is running.
Time's up, Sarnath. The question is...
1 minute. Screen points.
Time's up, please.
1 minute. Abitacillin.
No, it's the wrong answer. The question is passed to team number 6, Sarunan from Jupmar.
Or leadrostat.
Super. You're getting 10 points, Sarunan, for your team. It's osilodrostat. And it inhibits aldosterone synthase. At high levels, it also inhibits 11 beta hydroxylase. FDA approved this drug in 2019, but during the trials, one major adverse effect of this drug was fluid retention and swelling of ankles. Okay, you're getting team number 6. You're getting your question 6 for Jipmar. Karthi, I'm an aldose reductase inhibitor. I'm used in diabetic neuropathy. Who am I? Be careful while answering this question. Sarunam, sorry.
Your time is running.
Okay, time's up, Saravanan. It's passed to Rakesh, IGMCR. You have an answer? Right answer, Rakesh. You're getting 10 points. It's apalristat. It's a reversible aldose reductase inhibitor, which inhibits aldose reductase in the polyol pathway, thereby reducing the sorbitol and reducing the deposition of sorbitol. It is the only commercial aldose reductase inhibitor. Others like Ranistrat and Pedastrat are under trial, and others which were developed were not approved because of their.
I have hold.
Yeah. Okay. I think we are
What
over.
happened?
We are over with the round one. Scores.
So here's the score. Team 1 scores 10 point. Team 2 scores 10 point. Team 3 scores 30 point. Team 4 scores 0. Team 5 scores 10 point. Team 6 scores 10 point. Can we have round 2?
We'll move on to round two. The round two is who am I? What did I contribute? What did I do? The rules, Karthi. Each team will get one question. A personality will be displayed. Each correct answer, that is, the name of the personality, will be given 5 marks, and the contribution of that person will be given 5 marks, and a total of 10 marks will be awarded. In case of a wrong answer, question will be passed to the next team. Past questions will be rewarded only 5 marks. A time limit of 30 seconds, like the last round, will be given. No negative markings. Shall we move on? Okay, now we have the first question to the team 1, IGMCR, Rakesh. Question 1, Karthi. Identify the person. What is his contribution?
Is Sutherland mechanism of action of hormones, cyclic AMP?
Yeah, very good. 20 marks.
Exactly.
20 marks for
10 points.
10 points. I'm sorry. 10 points for team 1 for IGMCR. Earl W. Sutherland won Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1971 for discovery concerning the mechanisms of action of hormones, especially epinephrine, via second messengers, namely cyclic AMP. Now the question 2 to Ames, Virendra. Identify the person. What is his contribution? Time up. The question is passed to team number 3.
Is this Banting?
Who was it answering?
Me, team
Team number 3.
Three.
Team 3. No, it's wrong. Okay, answer slide, Karthi. This is Roger Gilman, who won the Nobel Prize in 1977 for the work on neurohormones. Question number 3 for Maulana Azad Medical College. Arman, happy. Identify this person and what was his contribution.
Is this Graves?
No, it's a wrong answer. You can try.
Yeah. Edison?
No.
No.
Okay.
The timer is running. Okay, this question is passed to team number 4, Sanjay from Bangalore Medical College.
Is it Von Graf?
What?
Von Graffi?
No.
Pornography, no. Okay, answers like Karthi. It's Carl Adolf von Basedow outlined the symptoms of florid hypothyroidism and gave the Mercy-Burger trial. Okay, question for the team number 4. That is Sanjay from Bangalore Medical College. Identify the person. What was his contribution?
Max Leod?
No, it's not my clear.
Luckily got the medical book. Luckily
Question is passed to team number 5, Sarnath from Government Kilpatrick Medical College.
Calvin Kendall.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Excellent. You're getting 5 points.
Adrenal.
Wait. What is his contribution, Sarnath? You know?
Adrenal hormones.
Okay. Answers like Karthi.
Cortex. Cortical.
Team Team 5 is getting 5 points. It's Edward Calvin Kendall who isolated thyroxine and also won the Nobel Prize for his works on adrenals. Okay, question number 5 for Team 5. Sarnath from Government Kilpack Medical College. Identify the person and what was his contribution. Sarnath, do you have an answer?
Is he father of endocrinology, Indian endocrinology?
No. The question is passed to team number 6. Saranan from Jupmar.
Sipula.
No.
Sipple syndrome.
No. Let's go to the answer. Answers like Kati. He's a pediatric endocrinologist who discovered the Prader-Willi syndrome. He's Prader who created the Prader scale and then the orchidometer. Okay, going to the question 6 for Jipmer. Team number 6, Jipmer. Question slide. Identify the person and what was his contribution. Salomon from Jipmer has to answer.
Kochara.
Yeah. What
Exactly.
was his contribution?
Thyroid surgery. Father of thyroid surgery.
Super.
Yeah,
You're getting 20 marks. Answer like that. Theodore Kocher, who received the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine for his contribution in physiology, pathology, surgery of thyroid, and he is the father of the thyroid surgery. First ever surgeon to receive a Nobel Prize. Okay, guys, we're coming to an end of the second round. Scores.
So here's a score. So here's a score for round 2. Team 1 scores 10 mark. Team 2 scores 0. Team 3 scores 0. Team 4 scores 0. Team 5 scores 5 mark. And Team 6 scores 10 mark. Can we have round 3?
Round 3.
Excuse me, one doubt, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it always the first team you will start the rounds with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always we have to start, huh?
Yes.
Actually,
Sorry, what to do?
No, I thought each round will be beginning from first another team.
Sorry, no.
So, Hafiz?
No. We are starting with IGMCR.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay, round 3, which is connections. Going to be interesting, guys. You have to connect the pictures. Rules, Kati. Okay, each team will get 2 questions. That is, we'll have 2 rounds. 1 round will complete and again will come from the first. Here, picture collages will be displayed. You have to connect and identify the condition, and also you have to explain the clue. Each correct answer will be given, that is, condition will be given 10 marks and the clues will be given 10 marks. A total of 20 marks will be given for a right answer. No past questions, guys. No past questions, no negative marking in this round. The time limit is 45 seconds, 50 seconds extra from the previous 2 rounds. Shall we start? Question 1 for IGMCR Rakesh.
Can we start?
Start. Connect and identify the syndrome, and you have to explain the clues too.
A Prader-Willi syndrome. There is
No.
Lawrence Moon Barton-Biddle.
Yeah, explain the clues.
Yeah.
There is polydactyly, retinitis pigmentosa, obesity, and alopecia.
Alopecia. Right, other.
That's not alopecia.
Infertility.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
We're giving you 20 points. Team 1 from IGMCR Rakesh. The first team is getting 20 points. The answers like Kati. Lawrence Moon syndrome, obesity, polydactyly, hypogonadism, and retinitis pigmentosa. Now, question for team number 2. AIMS. Dhirendra.
The condition is Sturge-Weber.
Yes.
Exactly.
Clue.
Tramp track appearance on CT.
Okay.
Port wine stain.
Okay.
Okay.
You have 20 more seconds.
Fourth semester कौन कहला?
Third.
Third is a renal cyst or tumor.
Yeah, we taken it.
Oncocytoma, renal oncocytoma.
Does it look like that?
Fourth is cataract.
No, it's not cataract. It's glaucoma. Okay, since you told the condition right, we're giving you 10 marks. Sturge-Weber syndrome for 10 marks for Ames. Answer slide, Karthi. Sturge-Weber syndrome, Trampride calcification, port wine stain, pheochromocytoma, and glaucoma.
Do we get part marks for partial?
Yeah. You get 10 marks for the as you told the condition. You're getting 10
No, for
marks.
explaining 2 clues, do we get points?
No.
Sorry, we can't give the marks for that.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Question for team number 3. Arman from Maulana Azad Medical College. Question number 3.
Von Hippel-Lindau syndrome. In this we have RCC on the first picture. Then we have retinal angiomas. Then you have pheochromocytoma. And then last is cerebellar hemangioblastoma.
Excellent. You're getting 20 marks. Team 2, Dhirendra from team number 3, Arman from Maulana Medical College. I'm sorry. Team number 20 marks for team 3.
Team 3.
The answer slide, Karthi. Von Hippel-Lindau syndrome, renal cell carcinoma, retinal and cerebral hemangioblastomas, and pheochromocytoma. Now the question 4 for Bangalore Medical College, Sanjay.
It is Wolfram disease,
Excellent.
diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus,
Yes.
and hearing defect,
Okay. Third one.
and optic atrophy.
Excellent. You're getting fourth. Bangalore Medical College is getting 20 points. Answer slide, Karthi. It's Wolfram syndrome, diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus, optic atrophy, and deafness. You have VFS1 protein mutation. It is an autosomal recessive neurodegenerative disorder. Okay, question for Government Keelpark Medical College. Question 5. Sarnath.
Your time is running out.
You have about 15 seconds more.
Is it in a ma'am?
What is
1 minute. AP is
Time out.
AP is
time out? No, it's a wrong answer. Answer slide, Karthi. It is X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy. You have ABCD gene mutation, adrenal insufficiency causing Addison's disease, demyelination of the cerebral cortex, and last one. In this, you have very high levels of very long-chain fatty acids due to the deficiency of due to the defective beta oxidation within the peroxisomes. Okay, going to the question number 6 for team number 6, Jipar. Yes, it's time for Saran to answer. There are 45 seconds more.
You have 20 seconds more.
Make syndrome,
Yeah.
ovarian fibroma, then pleural effusion is there.
Okay. One more. Just tell the try it. Come on.
Ascites,
Okay.
pleural effusion, then ovarian fibroma.
We are giving you 20 marks. Team 6, it's also called the answer slide, Karthi. Meek syndrome or Niemann-Meek syndrome, that is situs pleural effusion and fibroma, which resolves after resection of the tumor. Okay, team 6 is getting 20 points. And again, we're going to start with the team 1, IGMCR.
Rakesh, are you ready?
It's round 2. Karthi, round 2, question number 1. Rakesh from IGMCR should answer.
Is it ARAN syndrome?
No.
No, related to that. Coming somewhere near.
Hirsutism?
Okay, that's one of the clues.
Moth-eaten alopecia?
Alopecia. Yeah, just it's like you come with the clues, then you can.
Yeah, name the syndrome.
Come with the clues at least. You can get the answer.
Yes, AS. Androgen.
Okay, the answer is Karthi. The SAHA syndrome, Saboria, alopecia, hirsutism, and acne is just from the name, the first letters of the name.
Okay. Question for team 2. Ames Bhuneshwar. Question for team 2.
Question team 2.
Is it poem? Poem?
Yeah. Explain the clues.
Expand karo. Polyendocrinopathy.
Okay.
Gamma
Okay.
अरे बरदा कुहा मते गामापैथी polyclotral granulopathy.
Okay.
Hepatomegaly, organomegaly.
Okay.
Okay.
Peripheral neuropathy, tingling sensation.
Okay.
Akuda roila. Myeloma.
Okay, I'll just, Karthi, pause the slide, I'll just explain. It's the first skin manifestations and the osteosclerosis, myeloma protein, related to endocrinology, Castleman's disease, that and organomegaly shown as hepatomegaly and polyneuropathy. Since you told the components of POEM syndrome, I'm giving you 20 marks. Team Ames. Then I'm getting 30 marks. Answers like Karthi.
Okay.
Also called as the osteosclerotic myeloma, where you see the M spike, endocrinological association, organomegaly, Castleman disease, skin manifestations, and neuropathy. Question for team number 3, Maulana Azad Medical College. Arman. Arman from Maulana Azad Medical College.
Second more.
Prader-Willi syndrome.
No.
कुछ और बोलना है?
बोल जल्दी बता कुछ और.
बोल दे.
हाँ? Hand-Schuller Christian.
No. It's over. The time is now up. Answers like Karthi. So Carpenter syndrome, obesity, acrocephalosyndactyly, mental retardation, and polydactyly. Apert syndrome is also one correct answer for this. Next question for the team 4. Sanjay from Bangalore Medical College. Question, Karthi. Sanjay from Bangalore Medical College has to answer.
Question for team 4.
What is that name? Epilepsy. Okay.
Is it Prader-Willi?
No.
No.
Relate obesity and epilepsy, you'll get an answer.
Hypothalamic hamartoma.
No. It's a syndrome. All this is a syndrome group. It's a syndrome round.
Time up.
Your time's up. Your time's up. Answer slide, Karthi. The Boston Postman Lehman syndrome,
Yeah.
morbid obesity, low set years, epilepsy, mental retardation, facial dysmorphy, and hypogonadism. MEHMO syndrome is also an answer for this, but instead of hypogonadism, you have hypogenitalism. Okay, the next question for team number for Government Kilpack Medical College, team number 5. Questions, Karthi. Sarnath from Government Kilpack Medical College has to answer.
Twenty more seconds.
Fifteen more seconds. The time is running. Team number 5, Sarnath.
Time out.
Okay, answer slide, Karthi.
Friedreich ataxia.
No. Answer slide, Karthi. The answer is Soto syndrome or cerebral gigantism. You have an NSD1 gene defect, triangular facies, that is long, narrow face, high forehead, pointed chin. Okay, the last question of the round for team number 6, Jipmer. Question, Karthi. Quite common one.
Twenty more seconds.
Five more seconds.
Time's out.
Time's up. Answer slide,
William-Buren
Karthi.
syndrome.
No.
Chromosome number 7, elastin defect.
No.
Premature eruption.
No. Answer slide, Karthi. This Russell Silver dwarfism, there is small size at birth, triangular facies, variable degree of asymmetry at the extremities, uniparental disomy of chromosome 7. It was a direct clue, and it had Russell Silver teeth. Okay, coming to the end of the round 3, scores, Hafiz.
So here's the score for round 3. Team 1 scores 20 mark. Team 2 scores 30 mark. Team 3 scores 20 mark. And team 4 scores 20 mark. And team 5 scores 0. And team 6 scores 20 mark. Can we have round 4?
Round 4. Shweta, are you there? Shweta?
Are you there?
Yeah. Shweta will take over. That's it. Continue to round 4.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita.
Hi guys.
Shweta, break her, Shweta.
Shweta, your voice is breaking, I guess.
Can you please use your earphones?
It's okay. Hello? Break out, Shweta.
Take it up.
Ipu cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on with that. Karthi.
Go on.
Okay. So, Karthi, you have the rule?
No.
Yeah. Can we have the rules, Karthi? Yeah. So, guys, each team will be getting a set of questions which has 6 one-liners and 2 picture-based questions. And each one-liner will be awarded 5 marks, and each picture-based question will be given 10 marks. So the total set of questions has to be answered within 80 seconds. So it's going to be rapid fire, and you people have to answer fast, quickly. Okay, team 1, Rakesh, are you ready? So Karthi, let's put the questions for the team number 1.
Rakesh, are you ready?
Rakesh, are you ready? It's going to be rapid fire, and you have to answer very quickly. Okay? It's going to be just.
You're going to get only 10. 1 minute. I think it's 1 minute.
No negative, na. No negative.
There is no
Yeah,
negative
no
marks.
marks.
Yeah, there is no negative mark. No pass. 80 seconds. Wrap up.
I can't hear you clearly.
Multiple attempts allowed for a question. Can we come back? to the
Yeah,
question?
you can.
Do you
You
have
can
any
get it.
doubt?
Voice is breaking. Please.
Shweta, your voice is breaking.
Can you
Can you
hear me
use your
now,
earphones?
guys?
Yeah. We can hear you.
Break Shweta.
Okay, anyways, guys, the questions will be displayed on the screen, so do not worry.
Okay, fine.
Shall we move on?
Do you guys have any doubt?
Wait.
You can ask if you have any doubt. Shweta, you there?
Can you hear me now? I'm unable to connect my earphones. Can you hear me? Hafiz? Hafiz, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
The voice is breaking.
Participants? Rakesh?
Yeah.
Can you hear the voice?
Can you hear me? Rakesh, can you hear
Somewhat
me?
breaking.
Yeah.
Let's break out.
Guys.
Yeah, we'll fix soon. Wait.
Please give us the 10 minutes. We'll fix it soon.
Yeah, can you guys hear me now?
Break out.
Break.
இப்போ break ஆகுதா?
Break out.
Break ஆகுது.
கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது.
Forward press பண்ணு.
Okay, Rakesh, are you ready?
Yeah, okay, ready.
Yeah, is my voice clear for you? Shall I proceed?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay, Karthik, questions, please. Okay, Vipul, start.
People said is insulinoma, fasting hypoglycemia, symptoms relieved by glucose. Then, Nunna Puvi.
Yeah, try the next question. Very sign. This is the next question. Very sign.
Berry sign is seen in hyperthyroidism. Correct.
Sorry, wrong answer. Chiari-Crummer syndrome.
Number
Next
2 is
question,
lack of carotid pulsation. Berry sign.
Yeah, very sign is correct. And Chiari-Crummer syndrome.
Fourth one is hypertension.
Yeah, correct. Next
one
one,
is,
most common chromosome site in sympathetic ganglia.
Puvi. Adrenomedulla.
No, wrong. Then try for the sixth question.
6 carotid body.
Yeah, sixth question is right. So you have answered Vipul's right and very sign and sixth question.
Three correct answers, Shweta, in this.
Yeah, three correct
I said 1, 2, 4.
He didn't explain Vipul's triad.
Yeah, actually, you have left the one of the symptoms of the triad.
He answered the second one. He answered the second one, fourth one, and the sixth one.
He answered the second one. He answered the second one. He answered the sixth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one also. He answered 2, 4, and 6.
Can we move to the picture?
Rakesh, are you ready? We can go for the image-based question. Are you ready, Rakesh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It will be given 20 seconds. Start the question, please. Yeah, find the fundoscopic image.
Second question is Liar sign and carotid body. Tumor.
Yeah, one is life sign is correct. And the fundoscopic image?
First one, na Puvi,
What's right, guys?
First one is hyperchylomicronemia.
Sorry.
Lipemyretin.
Actually, you have answered, but the time is over.
Excuse me, I answered hyperchylomicronemia before that.
Hyper?
Chylomicronemia. There only lipemyretinoids will come.
Okay, Happy, we can give much one. Okay.
2 image-based questions, right?
Okay, Hafiz, the image-based questions are right, and he answered 3 of the
Yeah.
one-liners. So, Kati, answers,
Yeah.
please.
Team 1 scores 35 marks. Okay.
Okay.
Vipul tried, actually failed to answer one of the tried, and very scientist guys, absence of the carotid pulse due to the infiltration of thyroid tumors. And Chiari-Thomas syndrome is just the persistence of symptoms of AMNA and galactosia and a postpartum mother for a longer time. And intermittent hypertension, he answered correctly. And the most common type of pheochromocytoma and sympathetic ganglia is organ of Zucker gland. And the next, team number 2, Dhirendra from AIMS, are you ready?
Picture question answer.
Picture
Team number
question.
2, picture question. Answers for picture questions. It's 19 and it occurs when the lipid levels are more than 2,000 milligram per deciliter. And here's your lifetime. And yes, Karthi. Dhirendra, are you ready?
Bharata Dipta Samast.
Wait, your questions are not. Virendra,
Team 2, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Karthi. Questions, please.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Werner Morrison syndrome tried.
Werner Morrison is VI perma, WADA, watery diarrhea, hypokalemia, and achlorohydria. IPEX syndrome is FOXP3 deficiency. Full form conthela.
Next question.
Little child left.
Little
And name the category.
the key koiba. Tapare most common cause of hypothyroidism in developed country is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and in developing is deficiency, iodine deficiency.
Yeah, you're right. And right the second one, little sign, and the fourth one.
Little sign.
Yeah, little sign.
The key cohort.
Try the
The key
fourth one.
cohort.
Name the category by the malignant pheochromocytoma.
हाँ था वो. Dopamine is fourth है dopamine.
Yeah.
Okay, you answered five correct
Your
answers.
answer is correct. You just left out little sign. Yes, are you ready? We can. Shall we go for the image-based questions?
Yes, Vishal.
Yes. Karthi, image-based questions, please. And your clue is she's diabetic. The first one. Can you find skin lesion? Just try to find a histoslide.
Ko.
Find a histoslide.
Is it lipoatrophy?
No, wrong. You're wrong. I think
Second is osteoclastoma.
Okay.
Time up.
0 answers
Are you
correct.
Shall we move on to answers?
Can you repeat again?
Answer?
Nikita, how many answers are correct?
Yeah.
5 answers, 5 one-liners correct. No image-based questions correct.
That's a little sign.
Answer slide, Karthi.
Yeah,
ठीक है, मैं
answer slide,
बोल-
Karthi. So the answer one
तुम
of
इधर से आप लोग इधर से बोलते रहना। हाँ साफ है। अरमान तू बोल।
And then little sign is
हाँ, मतलब आवाज आ रही है चेक कर रहा था, ठीक है।
Please mute your audio. Team number 3.
And IPEX syndrome the answer. And the most common category is secreted pheochromocytoma is dopamine.
ये 6 क्वेश्चन
And
के लिए टाइम तो बहुत ले रहे हैं, ठीक है।
developing countries is Hashimoto's and developing is iron deficiency. And the image-based questions answer Karthi. Yeah. So guys, this is granuloma annulare, which is in a poorly controlled diabetic patient. So if you see the hypotension in the scan and phase 3. And the second one is house shift lacuna. What is this? Is osteoclast cells which forms a resorption in a bones, right? And the space and the pit formed by the osteoclast forms that space. Yes. Team number Arman from Maulana Azad College. Are you ready?
Ma'am, my teammate Balaji will be playing this round.
Yes.
Not
I'm-
at all.
I'm
problem.
answering Balaji.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, are you ready? Team number 3, are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Karthik, welcome. Diamond stripe. Flama's name. Is he a tribe?
Thyroglossus cystron surgery, thyrotoxic cardio symptoms, palpitation, or paraneoplastic most paraneoplastic hypercalcemia. Nasilov syndrome is it is a hypoimmunity syndrome in which neutropenia occurs. Plummer's nail is in hypothyroidism. Onycholysis in hypothyroidism.
Wrong. Your second answer is right.
Nezilov
Thomas Nail is right.
Diamond
Nezilov is wrong.
diamond style नहीं पता. Nezilov syndrome is in it's an autoimmunity condition in which neutrophil and pancytopenia occurs. Neutropenia and pancytopenia.
Give it right for the first question. Diamond.
क्या? Diamond style for Graves
style.
disease. Graves disease.
Actually, you have to explain the triad.
Time up.
Actually, you have to explain the triad. 1 and 3, he didn't answer 1 and 3 Hafiz. He answered second.
क्या trial बोला अरमान?
Four one-liners correct.
Pre-tibial mixed edema, thyroid acropathy, and skin change of Graves disease.
Your time's out.
Sorry, that is over, yeah. Actually, you guys have to explain the tribes. We are not asking for the conditions where the tribes are seen. Okay. Okay, you
Can you move to the image round?
Yeah, சொல்லு.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall we go for the image?
Your voice is breaking. Yeah.
Shweta, your voice is breaking. Can you?
Let us see to that
Please
your
check.
network is right.
Me.
No, Shweta.
Leah.
இப்ப கொண்டு பரவாயில்ல.
No.
கேக்குதுமா?
Okay, shall we go for the image-based questions? Scene number 3.
Yes.
Okay, start the questions, please. Yeah, she's a patient of hyperparathyroidism.
What is the second image? What is the second image?
It's a medicine. Where is it used?
Second image is used in vaccine.
Hypercalcemia.
Time's out.
Time's up.
Hypoglycemia, glucagon in hypoglycemia.
You gave the right answer, but time's up.
Sorry, your time's up.
No.
Okay.
Four one-liners correct
didn't
and no
answer the
image-based answers.
Okay.
Okay,
Question
Karthik, shall we
14
go
or
for the
4?
answer slide?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Diamond style, as you told, after the time is left, it's seen in Graves' disease, acropathy, and hexagonal. And Nezilov syndrome, it's the absence of thymus and inferior parathyroid gland. And what you have answered is Chidia gigantea syndrome. And Plasmid, it's a distant onycholicosis and thyrotoxicosis, and all the other answers he told. And shall we go for the answers for the image-based questions, Karthi? Yeah, this is the epithelial tumor, guys. This is the granular cell tumor, which is seen in hyperparathyroidism, where you'll be seeing lots of granular cells in histology slide. And this is a Baqsimi, which is nothing but glucagon, which is taken nasally for the treatment of severe hyperglycemia. So, team number 4, Sanjay from Bangalore Medical College. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Shall we go? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Karthi, questions for him, please. Hallmark of childhood Cushing syndrome.
A precocious puberty.
Sorry, wrong answer. Tesgen and vanishing testis syndrome. Your time is running. Sorry, other questions?
Laparoscopy.
Sorry, most common drug in nephrogenic diabetes insipidus.
Lithium.
Okay, he's right, Hafiz. And most common infectious cause of adrenal insufficiency in developing countries.
Histoplasmosis.
Yeah, you're right. And in developing countries?
Tuberculosis.
Yeah, you're right. And massive prognostic score.
It's used in thyroid surgery post-op.
Can you please name the specific type of carcinoma?
Sorry? We can't hear you.
You're right.
The test stands for vanishing testis syndrome. Go with lab tests.
Doppler.
No.
Yeah.
Time's out.
Three one-liners correct.
Macy score, I answered that.
Shweta.
Sorry, she's wrong.
Kekla Shweta.
Okay, can I go for the image-based question? Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? I'll go for the question.
Shweta, Kekla Shweta.
Shweta, please check your voice.
Here.
Kekla.
Go.
Yeah.
headphone போட்டாலும் கேட்கல இது பண்ணாலும் கேட்கல தெரியல இப்போ கேக்குதா
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, he answered 4 questions correctly, Happy. The first 2 are wrong. Have you marked?
4 questions
Macy score,
correct.
right?
Is Macy's score right, Shweta?
Yeah, he's right. So he answered 4 questions.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we go for the image-based questions, Sanjay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kathy, can you please put the slides for me? Yeah, name the sign.
Dalrymple sign.
Yeah, and she's a diabetic. Can you tell me that? What's the clue for the
No,
second
that
image?
is right. Second one.
Yeah, second one. You're getting answers.
Scleroderma.
Yeah, you're right. And he answered the 2 questions. Actually, yeah, Kathy, answer slides, please. Yeah, the hallmark of childhood Cushing syndrome is a significant weight gain and it's not superficial puberty. And the test and management of the syndrome is serum AMH, anti-malaria hormone. And all the other questions as well. And yeah, answers for the image-based questions, Kathy. Yeah, it is Selvoxine or Selvoxine is usually infrequent blinking that is seen in Graves' disease, or Darlin sign where you can see the upper rim of the sclera. Both can be correct in this picture. Since we have not put the video, Darlin sign also can be correct, which we answered. And this is Scleroderma diabeticorum, guys, which is a lump which is seen in the diabetes, poorly controlled diabetes patients. And team number 5 is Sarna from
Shweta, check your voice. Shweta.
Excuse me, may I answer instead of Sarnath? He's having trouble with that.
Yeah, sure. Please mute, guys. If you want to answer alone, unmute. Others, please mute.
Okay, let's start.
This one, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Starting
Pseudomyx, there is a tumor, an ovarian tumor, most commonly Brenner's tumor, with ascites and pleural effusion.
Next.
Next question.
Next first vessel to be ligated in thyroid.
Middle thyroid vein.
Right, next.
Right, and fourth question.
Enterment, topiramate. Next question.
Yes, fifth one. Most common polyendocrine syndrome.
Sixth one is teratoma.
Yeah, you're right.
Common best triangle is common carotid artery base. There is a base. Inferior thyroid artery, carotid artery, and the muscle.
Sorry, guys. Your time is over. You answered first one, third one, and sixth one. 3 questions correct.
Yeah.
3 questions.
Yeah.
3 online.
Can you go for the image questions, Vishwana?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, start the image-based questions for her. Yeah, need signs?
First one is thyroid level. Mother is in the first one. Loss of lateral half of the eyebrows.
You have to tell me the sign.
Name the sign.
Time's up, guys.
Sorry.
Thyroid is
Your time is over. And Kathy, shall we go for the answer slide for this?
Happy's 3 one-liners correct and no image-based answers correct for this team.
Okay.
And Surami is answered correctly. And Bas triangle, you left the recurrent laryngeal nerve, Vishwana. And middle thyroid vein is negative first is thyroidectomy. And use of anti-obesity drug like centanamide and topiramate causes concernitis, left lip and cleft palate. And the most common polyendocrine failure syndrome is APS2. And the most common ovarian tumor in pregnancy is dermolysis or teratoma. And answer for the image-based questions, Kathy. Yeah, this is head top sign or screen and sign, guys, which is seen in hypothyroidism, where you can see the lateral 1/3 of the eyebrows lost. And in this picture, you are seeing a sectoral hyperemia and the conjunctiva, right? So this is a superior limbic character conjunctivitis, which is seen in thyroid dysfunction. Yes, team number 6, Saravanan from JIP, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go?
Yes.
Questions for him. Line of Pendant syndrome.
Hypothyroidism, sensorineural area loss, Pendant syndrome.
Yeah.
Do mark.
Another one.
Come on.
Most common cause of Cushing syndrome is TB and iatrogenic.
Next.
Okay. And the second most cause of Cushing syndrome?
Second most cause.
Or try Hans-Schüller-Christian disease. Your time is running.
Hans-Schüller-Christian disease.
Come on. You know it, right? Just tell me.
It's in LCH. Then Mason-Buck triad, tachycardia, goiter, then exampthelos.
Very good. 10 points.
You're right. The triad is correct. And the Pendant, he answered the fifth one right. And Pendant syndrome, he answered only few symptoms, I think so. Hafiz and Nikita?
Yeah, he answered 2. He didn't tell the organification defect. No problem, Shweta. I think we can give him marks.
Can you count the question, Nikita?
3 one-liners correct, including Pendant. 3 one-liners correct, Hafiz.
Okay. Let's move on.
Okay, shall we go image-based questions, Saravanan?
Yes.
Start with image-based questions for him. Name the sign. And then the second one is diabetic. That's a clue. Come on, your time is running.
Second one.
Just give a try. He's diabetic, right?
Macular edema.
Sorry.
Retinopathy.
Time up.
Over. Okay, he answered just one image-based question, Happy. Mark it.
Yeah.
Okay, Karthi, shall we go for the answers for this slide?
Yeah, here's a score.
3 one-liners and one image-based correct.
So here's a score for the round 4.
Hafiz, just wait, let the answers complete.
Okay.
And
We can't hear you, Shweta.
I can't hear.
Shweta, we can't hear you. Can you please repeat?
The Pendant syndrome is sensorineural deafness, goiter organification defects. Mercy Braga tried.
Nikita is taking over.
I'm taking over, Shweta, for the answers. Mercy Braga tried exophthalmos, tachycardia, goiter. Coulson criteria is used in gestational diabetes mellitus. Hans-Schüller-Christian disease, the classical triad of single or multiple punched or bone lesions in the skull. Unilateral or bilateral exophthalmos and diabetes insipidus. Most common cause of Cushing syndrome is iatrogenic, and second most is ectopic ACTH. Hafiz with the scores?
Okay, can you guys stop now?
Image-based, Shweta.
Okay, this is Blockart sign where it's in a grave disease where on upward days you don't find the wrinkling on the frontalis muscle. And guys, this is a rectory photograph where you use a rectory filter to see the veins and the arteries much clearer. And this is a picture of a rectory photograph of proliferated diabetic where you can see the spots and the dot headaches. So that's it.
Happy with the scores?
So here's the score for round 4. Team 1 scores 35 mark, and team 2 scores 25 mark, and team 3 scores 20 mark, and team 4 scores 40 mark, and team 5 scores 15 mark, and team 6 scores 25 mark. Can you please move on to round 5?
Okay guys, shall we move for the round 5? And this round is going to be the decider round, guys. Just wake up and it's choose me. I have a case for you and the rules for this round, Karthi. And each team, just listen me carefully, guys. Each team has to choose the cricket player based on your semi-ranking. Each player has to a set of questions which have and 4 sub-questions. If you fail to answer
voice, please.
Can you please check your voice, Shweta?
Oh, hello.
Yeah, sure. Fine now.
Fine.
Fine.
To answer the case correctly, you will be eliminated from this round, and there are 4 sub questions, and each question carries 10 marks. And you'll be given 20 seconds for each sub question. And notice, guys, the sub questions has negative markings, and one advantage is if you answer all the 5 questions correctly, your score will be doubled. Okay, any doubts,
This
guys?
round is going to be a little different. If you have any doubts, ask it before.
Yeah, just ask me now itself. Guys,
Yeah, you can read the rules.
Read the rules, and if you have any doubts, please do ask now because it's going to be a little different.
Yeah, let them read the rules.
Can we pass the sub question?
No asking.
Okay, so if we even have no answer, even then we'll get the negative marking.
No.
No. If you answer wrong, you'll be getting negative marks.
But if we don't answer, we can't move to the next question.
Yeah, not like that. You can attempt all the questions if you have answered the case. If
Okay,
you don't
okay,
answer the case, you will be eliminated from the round. Okay?
Okay.
Any doubts, guys? Others? Others, any doubts? Shall we move? Team on Rakesh from IGMR. Shall we move?
Shall we move?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Questions for Sati and the time starts for. And you have to choose a cricket player.
Based on Shweta, who's going to choose first?
Sachin.
Based on ranking, team on Rakesh will be choosing first, and Virendra will be second, and Arman. The same player which has been chosen earlier. Okay, guys?
I can't hear you. Breaking.
Guys,
As per semi-final order, Rakesh is choosing first, and then AIMS, and then Maulana Azad Medical College, and then Bangalore Medical College, and then Keelpack Medical College, and then Jipmer.
guys,
We are going this order.
you're going to wait. I'll tell you. You're going to choose one of the players. You're going to get a case. Only if you answer the case, you'll get the other 4 questions. And the 4 questions will have negative marking. If you don't answer the case, you're going to be eliminated. If you answer the case, you're going to get 4 sub questions. In that 4 sub questions, if you're wrong, you are going to have negative marking. For each wrong answer, 10 marks will be deduced. And one bonus for this round is if you answer all the 5 questions correct, including the case, your marks in this round will be doubled. That is 50 into 2, you'll get 100 points, and this is going to be a jackpot. So be very careful when you answer. Okay, guys, Shweta.
This is going to be deciding round. Please be careful. Shweta, we can't hear you.
Shweta, we can't hear you.
Okay.
Hello.
Shweta, we can't hear you. Can you please check your voice?
Give us 5 minutes, we'll fix it.
Check your audio.
Shweta, check your audio.
Yeah, go on. Rakesh, you're choosing Sachin.
Okay, Rakesh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Rakesh is choosing Sachin.
பாருங்க ஓகேவா?
Question time, please. Rakesh.
Yeah, let's start.
Sorry, Kati. Kati. Okay, read it, Rakesh. You're having time. So she's a postmenopausal woman present to a general medicine clinic with persistent lower back pain. And the patient reports this for the last few months, and she has been experiencing aching pain in the lower lumbar area. And that's the patient. Surgical management. Yeah, you have to diagnose and name the surgical management. The time is running.
Postmenopausal osteoporosis, codfish vertebra.
Okay, getting surgical management. What is the surgical management, Rakesh? Rakesh, your time is running.
Name the surgical management.
Fibroplasty, kyphoplasty.
Yeah, right. You answer the case.
Okay, let's move on to sub-question.
The sub-question 1.
Okay, Rakesh, you will be displayed. Okay, and it's osteoporosis and kyphoplasty, the surgical treatment. Okay, shall we move for the sub-question?
Okay.
See, the sub-questions will have 20 seconds timer. See that you answer before that. But if it's wrong, 10 marks will be deduced.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So question 1.
Codfish vertebra.
Okay,
question. He's right.
Right. Moving on to the next question.
Question 2.
Okay. Name skeletal site for bone mineral density estimation in less than 60 years and more than 60 years. You have to mention the skeletal site.
You have to mention
Pass,
the site.
pass.
No, you have time. You have time. No passing.
Okay. Next question.
You have the question 3.
And the next question is Karthi. The calculation tool is used for the assessment of the risk of osteoporosis-induced fracture. Okay, the time is running.
Calculation tool.
T-score.
You're wrong. 10 marks.
Okay, we'll move for the next question, Karthi.
Question 4.
Name is investigation, Rakesh.
What is the investigation, Rakesh?
DEXA scan.
Yeah, right. You're right.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, he answered the third question wrongly.
Yeah. Hafiz, case right, sub-questions 2 sub-questions right, 1 wrong. So reduce 10 points, add 10 and 20 points. Along with the case, add 30 points and reduce 10 points.
Can you please repeat?
He answered the case right and sub-questions, he answered 2 sub-questions right. So total of 30 points, 1 wrong answer, reduce 10 points, totally of 20 points for them in this round.
Okay. Let's move on.
Team number 2, Dhirendra.
Shweta, the case, Shweta, you have the case is 10 marks, right?
Yeah.
Case 10 marks.
Okay.
In 10.
10 only, right? Okay.
Okay, Dhirendra from AIMS. Are you there? Dhirendra from AIMS.
Hello.
Yes. Then you can choose a cricket player.
I would choose Raina.
Raina. Yeah, Karthi, the question one, please. And then you do elevated to 17 OHP and DHA levels, and the CT shows more than one it's value and what's the probable diagnosis. Give it time.
You're running out of time. Can you have answer?
Guys, quick, your time is running.
Is it congenital adrenal hyperplasia?
No, try.
One more try.
Try. Something, not hyperplasia, it's what is it?
Just give a try. The level, just see the size.
Adrenal angiomyolipoma?
No, try.
No.
Try soon, any random.
Time's out.
Sorry, the answer?
Sorry, Dhirendra.
The answer is adrenocortical carcinoma. Okay, let's go to the sub-questions, Karthi.
Go for the audience.
Yeah, go for the audience. Anyone can answer. Anyone can answer for these questions. No points. This is the fun thing. Okay, next question.
People watching YouTube can answer.
Frequently.
Liver and lungs.
Yeah, very good. Next.
Sanjay.
Sanjay, very good, Sanjay. The next question. Most important prognostic histopathological parameter.
The Ki-67.
Very good. Who is it?
Sanjay.
Very nice.
Again, Sanjay.
Okay. Given here,
this is a new advancement and showing the.
Nikita, we can't hear you. Nikita will take over.
Given here is a new advancement in medicine showing magnetic nanoparticles placed into the adrenal glands. Why is it used? It's one of the recent advances, guys.
Is it to look for invasion, lymphatic?
Can we have answer from audience who are watching YouTube live?
Audience from YouTube, can you answer?
Other teams?
Teams, anyone can answer? Okay, answer, Karthi.
Fourth question.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Answer will go back. Okay. This is the fourth question. Anyone can fill 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is based on the dose.
See, how many mgs you're going to give a low dose? For a high dose, how much you're going to give? Hello?
High
Yeah?
high dose is 8 mg,
Yeah? Low dose?
1 mg.
Yeah. Then what is 3? In a low dose test, when you have higher normal cortisol, what does that indicate? Okay, I think we can go to the answers. Karti, move to the answers, Karti. Liver and lung for the first question. K64 proliferation index stimulates the adrenals to produce adrenaline and cortisol. Actually, this one is to know about the stress management, because for the stress management they brought this new advancement. And fourth one is 1 mg dexamethasone, 8 mg dexamethasone, low cortisol normal, higher normal cortisol, Cushing syndrome, high dose test, low cortisol, Cushing's disease, higher normal cortisol in high dose test, ACTH low, adrenal Cushing's, and ACTH high, it is ectopic ACTH. Okay, going to the team 3. Shweta will take over. Shweta?
Okay, Arman, guys can hear me first. Guys can hear me, right?
I am answering Dattatreya Dhoni.
Okay. Yeah, can you hear me, Nikita?
Yeah, Shweta, I can hear you.
Okay.
Dhoni, going with Dhoni.
Yes, Dhoni.
Dhoni. Karti, go for the questions, please. Yeah, he's a poorly controlled diabetic lady and came to the OPD with complaints of fever, confusion, loin pain, and signs of UTI.
भाई है ना emphysematous pyelonephritis.
Very good.
Right.
Exactly, very good.
And we can move to the sub question. Shall we? Yeah, excellent.
Sorry, guys.
Can you please move to the sub?
चलो अब बताना.
Shweta, kekla Shweta.
Question number 1, Karti. Identify the sign.
This is prayer sign seen in diabetic chiroarthropathy.
Very good.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're right. Excellent. Next question, Karti.
This is vacuum assisted closure for treating the bed sores and the wounds, unhealing wounds.
Sorry, you're wrong. And can you please name this implant?
This is vacuum assisted closure, na?
No. It's time's up. You're going to the next question. Okay, name this instrument. Your time is running.
ये पढ़ा है ना वो एस्थेसियो
Answer this question. Your time is running.
Careful with the wrong answer. You're going to reduce marks.
Excuse me. I am not answering this question.
Okay. Who's going to answer?
But you should have told.
Okay, question number 4. Metformin has increased risk of lactic acidosis.
Are you there? Team number 3, are you there? Just answer.
Yes.
Yeah, answer. The time is running.
I think you were there.
B कर दूँ क्या? Quit. Not answering.
Okay, case right. Hafiz for this team. Case is right, and sub question one question is right, 1 question wrong. So total of 20 marks they've scored and deducing 10 marks. Total points of 10 for this team.
Okay, let's move on.
Team number 4.
Okay, team number 4, Sanjay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you please read out the answer, Shweta?
Excuse me, it's team 3. We told that was vacuum assisted closure, so it was partly correct. So completely correct.
We'll give you marks for that.
Negative pressure
Okay, we'll
therapy
give you
same
marks
as vacuum assisted closure, na?
Yeah, okay, I'll give you marks for that question, 5 marks. But you didn't answer that implant right, so you'll be awarded 5 marks for that.
15 marks for this team. 15 marks for this team.
You didn't told the implant, so we are giving them only 5 marks for that.
And negative marking will also be deducted, na? 15 marks will be.
Yeah, totally you're getting 15 marks for this round. Hello?
Yes.
Okay, totally you're getting 15 marks for this round.
Ma'am,
And
you should be
20
getting
marks for the
25
case,
na?
na?
Because 2 correct plus 1 part
Okay,
5
okay, okay,
marks.
okay. Yeah, sorry for that.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
they are getting 25 marks actually.
25.
25 na?
Yeah. Sorry for that.
Okay.
Let's move on.
Team number 4, Sanjay, are you ready? Team number 4,
Yeah.
Sanjay. Okay, choose a
Virat,
cricket player.
Virat.
Virat Kohli. Yeah, 30 questions.
Okay, let's go with
30 questions for you, please. Yeah, Kanak, please explain the clues. Your time is running. Sanjay, your time is running. Just come to and explain the clues.
Men 2.
Men 2, yeah, you have 2 subtypes, right? Just name the subtype.
2A.
Sorry, you're wrong.
2B.
Sorry, you're wrong.
You can try still.
Yeah, men 2.
Men 2B.
Okay. Right answer.
Okay, can you explain the clues? You'll be out. Explain the clues. You're getting
Okay.
Pheochromocytoma, megacolon, medullary carcinoma thyroid.
Okay.
Medillated corneal nerve fibers.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, 10 marks for him. And shall we move for the third question, Sanjay?
Sanjay, are you there?
Sanjay, hi.
The
Shall we
screen.
move for the sub question?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30 sub questions.
Sub-question number 1. Name the skin lesion and their associations with men.
It's associated with men 1.
Name
I can't hear you.
Name the skin lesion.
Sorry, you're wrong. The time is over.
Time's up. Going to the next question, Karthi.
Collagenoma.
No. Next question, Karthi.
You're wrong. Find the investigation, Sanjay. Time is running.
It is PET.
Specifically?
Please complete.
Can you give me the full answer? Yeah.
FDG PET.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. You're getting marks.
Right. Yeah, you're right. Okay, move for the next question, Karthi. Yeah, name the medical
Management of inoperable metastatic MTC. That is medullary
Cabozantinib.
Okay.
Vandatinib.
Right.
Excellent. You're getting this right. Next question, Karthi.
Carney complex gene mutated is PPKR.
Okay.
Yeah.
And endocrine association is Cushing's.
Okay.
McCune Albright is GNS alpha.
Yeah.
Endocrine association is Cushing's.
Okay, you answered one. We are giving five marks. We are giving this. We thought, okay, any 2 questions we'll give answers. So because you told Carney complex, we are giving 5 marks for this question. Hafiz, case right. Sub questions 2 full marks 10, and 1 sub question only he's answered half. So 25 marks for the sub questions and 1 wrong answer. Reduce 10 points. Are you getting me? Case right.
Yeah.
2 correct, 1 half correct,
I got you.
and 1 wrong. Okay.
We can move on. Can you please take over?
I'm one doubt. Hello, ma'am. One doubt.
Yeah.
For the scan detection, in the scan itself, that was shown it was FTG.
Was it so? Karthi, rewind that.
Where is it?
You can see FTG in the screen itself.
FDG, yeah, wait.
Can just find.
Yeah, but PET wasn't mentioned, right? So.
Yeah. There's no problem. We can give 10 marks.
Sorry.
No problem.
We're giving full marks for the team. Hafiz, give full marks for the team.
Yeah.
I can
Okay, the next
Nikita,
team.
please take
The
over.
next team.
Nikita, please take over.
Which
We can't
which
hear the
team,
Shweta's voice.
Which team did not answer, Karthi? Okay, okay. Apis?
Yeah,
How many teams more?
two more.
Team 5 and team 3. Which team? Team 5? Team 5, tell the name.
Rizwana, team 5.
Yeah, yes, I know.
Rizwana from
KNC.
Kilpak.
KMC and team number 6?
Saran from Jipmer.
Okay, Rizwana, please select yours.
Who are left?
Who are left?
Bumrah and Yuvraj.
Bumrah and
Bumrah and
Yuvraj.
Yuvraj.
Go with Yuvraj Singh.
Yuvraj. A 31-year-old man presented with a history of constipation, cold intolerance, easy fatigability, and periorbital puffiness for 6 years. He also had complaints of proptosis of both. He had thickening and roughness of skin.
Hi. Sir.
Yeah.
Hypothyroidism.
20 more seconds.
Hypothyroidism.
Be specific.
Okay. Mixed edematis. Hypothyroidism.
Shweta, is the answer right?
Time out.
Shweta?
Hypothyroidism.
Shweta, you there?
Time out.
We want a specific answer, Rizwana.
One minute. Hello.
Shweta?
We want the specific answer. Shweta, you there?
Sorry, my microphone is off. Yeah.
Shweta, is the answer right? Yeah. Is the answer right? Mixed.
I was having interrupted connection. Can you tell me the answer what you told?
Hafiz, what did you tell? Rizwana, what did you tell? Can you repeat?
I said hypothyroidism.
Hypothyroidism. Sorry, can you please look at the question well? You have been given the symptoms of both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Then how could it only be hypothyroidism? Can you get
Okay, let's move on. The answer is wrong. The answer is wrong, actually. You can move on.
You are getting both the symptoms of hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism.
Okay. You are being eliminated. This team is being eliminated. Answer, Karthi.
Sorry, the wrong answer.
Sorry, it's not thyroid.
Sorry.
Wrong answer. Error from thyroprivic hypothyroidism.
Yeah.
Karthi, change the slide. It's not thyroid periodic paralysis. It is thyroprivic hypothyroidism.
Sorry, Rizwana, you have been eliminated from this round.
Okay, next question. This is for the audience and other team members also.
Sub questions.
Yeah, Karthi, go to the sub questions. Okay, this answer was already given back. Error from my side. A patient comes with complaints that he wasn't able to move his legs in the morning when he woke up. He has been experiencing muscle cramps recently. History says the patient had been exercising in the gym last evening. There was no similar family history, but family history positive for autoimmune thyroid disease. Yeah, this is the thyroid periodic paralysis. It's an endocrine emergency, and this is because of the defect in sodium potassium ATPase. Next question, Karthi. Yeah, and yes, in that the triggering factor there was he was in the gym, vigorous exercise. Okay, this instrument, anyone can answer?
Exophthalmometer.
Yeah, very good. It's an exophthalmometer. You're right, it's the exophthalmometer. And the next one, Karthi. This is one interesting one. Anyone?
Pseudo hypertrophy of the.
Can you please name the syndrome?
Hoffman syndrome.
Hoffman is the Hoffman.
Right.
Okay, next question, Karthi.
So name this chest X-ray finding. Can anyone find it? This is right.
Oh, yeah.
Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, even that.
Okay, it's that water bottle configuration in myxedema. Okay, answers, Karthi. It was thyroid periodic paralysis. The instrument was exophthalmometer. It is Coche debris seminary or Hoffman syndrome. Water bottle configuration seen in myxedema. Okay, the last team is I think it's going with Bumrah.
Yeah,
Saravanan from Jippa, are you ready? Okay, go with Karthi, please go with Bumrah. Okay, guys, here's the case. A 50-year-old woman comes with complaints of sleepiness and fatigue. She says she feels tired even after a good night's sleep. Her husband says she snores daily and often notices her gasping for air at night.
No, ma'am. We are not telling.
The time. What?
Okay.
Answer.
Okay, you can try. You can try.
Yeah, see, give random answers. You may be correct. Give random answers.
Yeah, you're.
Don't miss the chance. What?
Narcolepsy.
No. See that. See, he's not. Yeah. You came with some answer.
Obstructive sleep apnea.
Very good. It's the obstructive sleep apnea or obstructive hypoventilation syndrome. You are into it. Karthi, answer. Okay, going with your first sub-question. Karthi, first sub-question. The waist-hip ratio and blood pressure criteria for metabolic syndrome given by International Diabetes Federation is? Do you want to answer?
Guys, just give a try. Saravanan, give a try.
No, it's have negative mark. You should tell that.
Okay. Question. Second sub-question. Okay, it's a drug. So it's used for obesity. Just think what drug it is.
Saravanan, just give a try. You have time. Just connect the clues. It's used in obesity.
Time out.
Next question, Karthi. Third sub-question, Karthi. See, this is one test. Identify the test. See, you have to link this with the case, first case. Just link and come up with the answers. If you're sure about it, because you have negative markings.
Comnography.
No. You have a one wrong answer. The next one. Next question, Karthi. Name the bariatric surgeries. You have two surgeries, A and B. Name it. If you're going to name one, you're going to give 5 points. You're going to get 5 points.
CPAP.
No, wrong. I'm sorry. You have a key. What?
Sleeve gastrectomy.
You're getting half points. Okay, Hafiz, they are getting the case correct and one half answer correct and one wrong answer.
5 points.
Okay, show the answers, Karthi. The waist-hip ratio in men is greater than or equal to 94 centimeter. In women, or greater than or equal to 80 centimeter, according to the federation. And the BB is greater than or equal to 135 bar 85 mm Hg. Drug shown there was Orlistat. The test was home apnea test. The bariatric surgeries were a vertical sleeve gastrectomy, and the B was laparoscopic adjustable gastric banding. Okay, I think we finished with all the rounds. Guys, we are very sorry if you had any connection problems. Okay, Hafiz with the scores.
So we have a score for round 5. Team 1 scores 20 mark, and team 2 scores 0, and team 3 scores 25 mark, and team 4 scores 25 mark, and team 5 scores 0, and team 6 scores 5 mark. Am I correct?
Yeah. Hafiz, just calculate the total scores. Until that, we want to thank everyone. Yeah, okay. We want to thank everyone, and the finalists, you were just amazing. Your answers were just amazing, and we want to thank the entire Sirkaria team. Guys, participants, I want to tell you one thing. Then around 600 teams, 620 teams were registered, and all the 1,800 papers were corrected manually by a team, that too overnight. I should thank my Circadia team for that, for putting in the effort. And it's been like we've stayed the entire night for correcting papers and for putting marks. Guys, we were sponsored by the Time Institute as a co-sponsor, and our main sponsor was Dr. Bhatia Institute. I thank them for sponsoring. If not them, we wouldn't have conducted this. We thank all our teachers who helped us, and all our professors. I thank the Circadia question team who took amazing questions, and the technical team who did a great work from the beginning. I think the technical team has faced more problems, and yes, they managed to come over all of that. The sponsor team, they thank the sponsor team. I think we are here with the results.
Yeah, I received the message.
Okay,
yeah, sir.
Okay,
Here are the
so
results. It will be announced by our mentor, Dr. Elvarasan sir.
yes. Actually,
Karthi, mute.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Audible? Yeah. First of all, I want to thank the organizers, and the technical team, and all participants of this quiz. First in our college. So I was very proud that our college on national map.
Thank you.
That our college is in Tamil Nadu and Dharmapuri is a small town. So I'm very proud actually. We are small town boys. We are brought on here actually in this place. I studied my schooling starting from LKG to all my graduation here only. So I want to thank 17 batch Desarius for organizing in this crisis, especially. We are all in COVID crisis. So, you know what kind of impact and what kind of problems we have. In the midst of this, very, very happy, and we are very happy, especially our dean and administrative people are very happy that students are actively participating in and conducting this quiz actually. So I want to thank all the participants. So out of the 621 teams, so we are narrowed down to 3 teams. So it's really a great task, Herculean task to conduct the quiz. I am also thankful for the presenters, question preparators for this.
Thank you, sir.
Who made this quiz a very much interesting one.
Thank you, sir.
Hope we will continue this in the forthcoming years also, and we don't break the chain, and we want to continue as long as it's possible. That is whatever program started in our college, it is continued so long. So like this quiz also should progress further after your batch and after the junior batch, like that. It will go on as a chain of reaction.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. So then the runners are Team 4, Bangalore Medical College. Okay.
Team 4, runners
Team
2,
4.
Bangalore Medical College.
Bangalore Medical College are the runners.
Hafiz, please mention their names
Anyone
of the
there from
college.
Team 4?
Bangalore Medical College, runners 2.
Hafiz,
Runners
mention the name.
I don't have any. Can please repeat?
I don't have the names actually. I think Hafiz will once again will confirm that.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
Runners one,
Okay, so
runners
sure.
one is Team 3, Maulana Azad Medical College. And the winner is Team 1, IGMCR. Congratulations to IGMCR.
Excuse me, it's
Yes,
IGMCR.
sir. IGMC.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, winner is
Thank you, sir.
IGMCR. Yeah, thank you for the. Thank you for.
So here's the teammates.
Sir,
So here's the
thank you for
teammates.
helping us throughout and showing
My
us the
my work is very low. I was just say coordinated. Actually, we should have been present in front of Dean and we would have announced this. But unfortunately, it's odd hour.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason actually. But anyway, I think you have recorded this program, the YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's on live.
Yeah, I think we can post permanently there. Anybody can know and watch it and they can appreciate our efforts. Once again, a great congratulations to the organizing committee.
Yeah,
A
thank
great
you.
effort in this crisis. So you are doing, we are traveling to different heights. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sir. So
I
here's
think
the
Office and
teammates.
Office can confirm the winners once again.
Yeah,
With their
sir.
names.
Here's the teammates.
With their
Team
names, with
4.
their names. Yes.
Team 4 from Bangalore Medical College. Apurva, Aditi, and Sanjay.
Yeah.
And
Get
winners
the
one.
third place.
Sorry, runners one. And first runner is team from
Maulana
Maulana
Azad.
Medical College. Arman Said, Dattatreya Shukla, Harshvardhan. And winner is Indira Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Pondicherry. Rakesh, Poviyarasi, and Vishwada.
Yeah,
Congratulations, guys.
I just want to thank our Dean, Dr. Puvati ma'am, for giving us this opportunity, and our Vice President, Dr. Murugan sir, for giving us this opportunity. And Hafiz, I think you can tell the prize money with the
We'll send the prize money tomorrow.
coupon. No, you just tell how much is for first, second, and third.
I don't have any plan.
For third prize, it's a 2K. There is no any video
2,000 cash
subscription.
prize plus 2,000 cash prize. And
For second prize, 3,000
will
cash
get
prize plus video subscription. For first prize, 5,000 5K plus video subscription.
yeah, thank you. Thank you, Karan.
Thank you, guys.
Nikita, I think
Yeah.
we'll wind up here.
Yeah, we'll wind up. Thank you, guys, for being
Thank you,
patient
everyone.
with us. Wait, anyone want to tell anything? Okay,
The
guys.
quiz was really nice. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, very sorry for the small
Other teams?
faults of this connection errors. But you guys were just amazing throughout the quiz.
Thank you for the awesome quiz. It was really, we enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. The questions were really good. We really enjoyed this quiz. Thank you for organizing.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay.
Hope that next year we would see face to face and conduct this quiz.
Yeah.
Hope we see the same teams next year also. Congratulations, guys, and all the best. And winner teams, please contact us for the prize monies and coupons. Thank you, guys. I think we're winding up here. Karti, wind up. Karti,
Wind up
wind up here.